Hello friends, welcome to our channel and welcome to our challenge. We have used Excel multiple times, but ever we have given any task in which we have to break the code. Like here you can see a complete code in which the one is the serial code and the other code is RM code. Like in the serial we have the 415684 and other one is RM code which is RM001 RM050, and we have given the task like we have to break the code into two codes, and then after breaking it we have to again rejoin it. So how we can use it? And another task we have given, like we have given the date and we have to break it into three portions, like first one is date, month and the year. These are the challenges which we have to perform. So we'll start with our first complete code, and here you can see the code. And what we have to do, we have to just break it in the serial, and then second we have to break it in the RM code. So for the serial code, what we have to do, we have to use here the left function, like here equals to left left, and just bracket open, and in the bracket open it gives us the two instructions, like it says give me the text. So we have given him the text, or we have given it the text, then comma, and it says how many characters you want from the left. So we want the serial number, and in the serial number we have the 6 characters. So I just write here 6, and here you can see the complete. First one is in the left, it says the text, so we give it the text, and then it says the number of characters, so we have the given number of characters 6, and just I press it. So here you can see it has breaking the complete code into only serial code. Now I just need to track it down for the remaining one, and our first task is completed. Now our second task, it's required the RM code, so we have to use here the write function. Bracket open, we have to select the text, comma, now it says number of characters. So in the left it count from here, and in the right it count from here. So we have to give the number of characters. So first, second, third, fourth is our dash, fifth and sixth is our RM. Then we have to just close, and here you can see it gives us the RM code. Now we just need to track it. So we have successfully break the one code into two codes. Now we have given the challenge to join both the codes. So how we can again make this type of code? So we have to use here equals to, then we have to use our first code. And how we can join our first code? We have to use here and sign. And if I just use here and sign is basically used to join our code. And then I just write here inverted comma, and in here I just write here dash, because in both the codes we have the dash between in it. And then I just again write inverted comma close, and again and sign to join our second code. So here you can see equals to, D8 is our first, and sign for joining, and in between we want the dash. So I just write here dash with the inverted comma, and then again and to join with the remaining cell, and then address of the cell. Now just press your enter. So here you can see again it joined the code. Now we just need to track it down. So here you can see we have break the code, we have break the first complete code into two codes, and then again join both the codes into one code. This is what our first challenge is. Now here you can see a date in which we have to join the month, day and year. So in the month, you can see here we have to again use here the left function, and in the left side it required 3 number of characters. So we just select the text and select here 3 for number of month, or for the month. Now you need to drag it down, so it calculated the month. Now we require the year. For the year, what we have to do, we have to use the right function, because year is in the right cell. So we just select the cell, and in the right in the year, what we have to count, we have to count from here So 1 2 3 4, so we have to just write here 4 and then enter. So the number of year is also completed. Now we have to use the middle value, which is some sort of complications in it, like we have to use here mid function, like mid mid, bracket open. Now in the mid it says three instructions. First it says the text, so we just give it the text, comma. Now it says start number, so what we have to give start number, so it starts from 0. So it's 1 2 3 4, we require 5, so it starts from 5, comma, and it says how many character after it. So after 5 we just need the sixth character, so we just give it 2, which means it has to give first one 0 and then give it to 1. So here you can see it gives us 0 1. So fifth one is the 5 is the 0, and 2 characters means we require 0 and 1, so it gives 0 1, and then I just need to track it down. So here you can see it break the day, month and year. In the same way it has completed our first challenge. I hope you have liked our first challenge, and if you face any confusion you can write in our comment section. Please like and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.